things in Python, that is comments. Yes, the secret superpower of coders. But wait, what are comments? Let's find out in a fun way. I'm going to explain you. So imagine this, you are building a Lego spaceship and you write a little notes on sticky note to remember which pieces goes where, right? So that's exactly what comments do in the Python. So comments are notes in your code to help you or others to understand it later. But don't worry, Python ignores them completely. They don't affect your program. Yes, we have around two types of commands we can do. One is like single line commands, and one more we have multi line commands. Okay, what it means single line commands and multi line commands, I'm going to explain you both in a very simple way. So just in your keyboard you just type this hash. Have you seen the hash in your keyboard? I mean it's in number 1233. Okay, shift and plus 3 you press it means you will get this hash. So what it will do, it you just type before your notes and Python will skip it. Yeah, you just type shift 3. If you click on shift 3 it will give the hash where we have to use this command. So what Python code, what it will do when you are writing any Python program, right? For example, I'm giving this print hello human. Okay, what it will do, what it going to be, tell hello human. I have written I know what I have written. I have just printed hello human. I can only understand what I know, but this one you need to understand others also. What we can do, before writing any codes we have to define what it is. So I am just simply typing this print say friendly message, whatever you can give. This prints a friendly message. I have typed this one. Before that one I have given this hash. What it will do, guys, what it will do means when you run the program, did you see this magic? See, the Python program didn't read any of these messages because I have commented. This is what we call as single line commands. You got the point. So if I not given this hash, see, now it is automatically showing error. When I run this one, see, did you see this print a friendly message? What it means, man, what it means, it will ask us only. So we, before typing anything, shift 3, it will give, it will comment that on what the line we have written and it will give the output. So Python is not going to read this one what we have commented in the single line comments. It will only print this one. Understood? Yeah, this is very simple, right? So now very interesting, what is multi-line command? What is means multi-line commands? Okay, how can we use this one? How can we use this one, multi-line comments? Multi-line comments is nothing but you have written something, mission make Python fun. What we are going to learn, comments, write fun code, become a Python pro, right? So this is what I have written. So we need to comment all these lines at one shot. It means we have to use this 3 dot 1 2 1 more 3. See what it will give. 3 codes. We have to use 3 codes like this. If we use it like this, Python is not going to read this one as well. I'm going to running this one. Let's see the magic now. See, did you see this? It is not going to read. So if I not use it, only 2 and 3, here 3 I have given, here 2, it not going to consider. So we have to use 3 double quotes, or else we have one more option. We can use single quotes also. See, this is also it not going to read. Python not going to read. This is what we call multi-line comments. Did you understand, guys? Did you got this point? So how can we do this one? How can we do this one? Let me show you what is the easy way. When you are going to write, just you can simply, what you can do, right? You just initially you can take it 3 double quotes or single quote, then you start writing your comments. Hello, what is this? I am not a robot. Got it. Okay. Whatever you want, you can write on. Then you can simply run the program. Python is not going to read this one as well. So this is the sticky note. What we call sticky note. If you want to build anything, you have a sticky note, right? So this is like sticky note. You can write like this, and you can write the program in this. Hello. It's going to print hello. Did you see the magic? Can we take some few examples to understand it better? Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. I am taking one very good examples. See, I am written like x is equal to 10. Single line command I am using. What it means? Anyone can understand, right? Simply x is equal to 10 written means what they will understand. So I am going to write assign 10 to x. I am assigning 10 to the x. So you can also understand this one. I am also understand this one, right? So this is not a good practice. Yeah, this is not a good practice. Then what is the good way? Baba, tell me. Yeah, I am going to tell you x is equal to 10. So we know that in here, no, this is the bad way of practicing. Why I am telling bad way means, and bad way. So see guys, one more I am going to tell you about. So if we have like this, it's bad. In this, if we simply control and backslash, if we did means the whole complete line, it's going to be comment. So this is the one thing I am going to explain you. And yeah, let's come to the bad way of practicing. So this is, we know, assigning 10 to the x. Yeah, you are going to assigning 10 to the x, but then what is the 10? We don't know, right? So that's the reason. What is the good way of commenting is like. So I am going to show you here. X is equal to 10. I am giving a comment saying that what it means. This is the players starting score. Did you got this point? See guys, you only see both the way. What is this? Is bad way of giving the comments, and this is the good way of giving the comments. Did you understand what is the difference between here and here? So in this good way, it is saying that the 10 is the player starting score. Okay, yeah, this is the one thing I'm going to explain. And one more, if I say toward right, control and backslash. So if you give anything here, okay, this is good, so then simply you can control and backslash, it automatically going to comment.